Okay? All right. Honey, the first film didn't take, and all you missed was me mixing the actual dough. So I took a 1 3/4 cup of flour, a little bit of salt, some nutmeg, and then in another bowl I had my potato, my baked squash that was all squeezed out and dry, and a beaten egg. So I mix that all together, mix it very minimally just until it holds together, knead it a couple of times on a board, and then divide it up into small pieces like this. Okay, and I really don't use any additional flour on my board because I don't think it needs it. This log rolling, you have to do it very lightly or else it's going to separate. But if it separates, just, you know, pinch it together and keep on going. Make it into a log like this, maybe 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch thick. Take your bench press, your bench scraper rather, cut it into maybe 3/4 of an inch, 1 inch pieces, whatever size you like that. Okay, this is the only thing I do flour my little board here. Okay, just like that. Just take your thumb, move it down like that, and you've got ridges on one side and a little hole or a little hollow point in the center. That's all. It goes so fast. You're done with this in the whole thing takes probably 15 minutes. And I put it on a tray. Got some wax paper on there, which I added a little bit of oil to it so it doesn't stick. Stick it in the freezer if you're going to make it for long term, or stick it in the refrigerator if you're going to make it in the next hour or so. Do the same thing here. Really easy. It's actually my favorite part of making the gnocchi is whoops, rolling it. So. Replenish the flour with your thumb, just like that. Okay? And then you've got a nice tray here, and you finish it off. You boil it. When they come to the top, they're done. Scoop them into a frying pan, a large frying pan with some melted butter, sage leaves, and a little bit of pasta water, and that's your meal. Okay, bye.